Welcome to JH. Today we are diving into the world of teeth restoration mineral powder, a product that claims it can do everything from strengthening your enamel and reducing sensitivity to repairing early tooth damage. It even promises to freshen your breath, because apparently we all need a miracle in a jar to survive a morning conversation. It sounds like a dream come true, but let's be real. Is it actually a dental breakthrough or just overpriced dirt? Let's find out together. Surprisingly, a lot of people are actually obsessed with this stuff. Many users report that it leaves their teeth looking whiter, cleaner, and smoother than a polished marble floor. Some even claim to see a difference after just one use, enjoying that fresh from the dentist feeling without the soul-crushing bill at the end. If you're chasing that elusive Hollywood glow, this powder certainly seems to make a strong first impression. When it comes to the taste, most customers are relieved to find it's mild and refreshing with a light mini touch. There's no bitterness or weird aftertaste, which is a major win if you prefer your morning routine not to taste like a chemical spill. It's simple, natural, and not at all overpowering. In terms of quality, the powder is fine and easy to use. Just dip a wet toothbrush in and you're good to go. You only need a tiny amount, so a single jar might actually last longer than your last New Year's resolution. Beyond just the sparkle, some users have even noticed healthier gums after a few weeks of consistent use. While switching from a convenient tube to a tub of powder feels a bit like traveling back to the 1800s, most people seem to get used to the ritual once they see the results. However, it's not all sunshine and pearly whites. Some customers were left completely disappointed, claiming the powder did absolutely nothing for them. The real concern comes from reports of skin irritation and breakouts around the mouth, because nothing says confidence like a fresh case of chin acne. There are also complaints about poor quality, false advertising, and even missing items in orders, which is always a fantastic sign of a reliable business. For many, it felt like a total waste of money that they wouldn't recommend to their worst enemy. So, what is the final verdict? It is a total mixed bag. While plenty of people love the whitening effect and the fresh taste, the reports of bad experiences and skin reactions are a bit too frequent to ignore. It seems this product works wonders for some, but is a total disaster for others. If you decide to give it a shot, maybe perform a patch test first to ensure you don't end up looking like a science experiment. Thanks for watching, and remember, your best smile is the one you wear with confidence, or at least the one that doesn't involve a rash. See you next time.